Okay, so we're going to do page 363, number 11. Number 11 says 3 forces with magnitudes 13 newtons, 7 newtons, and 8 newtons are in a state of equilibrium. Draw a sketch of these 3 forces and determine the angle between the 2 smallest forces, so between the 7 and 8 Newton force. Okay, so let's draw this out. Okay, so page 363, number 11. Okay, so we have an 8 Newton force, let's put it this way, a 7 Newton force, let's put that there, and a 13 Newton force. Let's put that there. Okay, so these forces are acting on an object. So the object is right at the center of all of them. And we want the angle to be between the smallest 2 forces. So let's call that the angle that we want, theta. In order to be in equilibrium, if we add these forces tip to tail, they need to produce a perfect triangle. Okay, so complete a triangle. So let's draw that. Okay, so let's start with the 8 Newton force. So 8 newtons goes this way, 8, and then the 7 Newton force that way, 7 newtons, and then the 13 Newton force will be right there, 13 newtons. Okay. And the angle theta, well, it doesn't really show up here anymore. The angle theta is equivalent to that angle there. So that's theta. So we're going to try and find this angle here, which is actually 180 minus theta. Okay, we'd use the cosine law for this. So the cosine law is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos angle c. So this is the angle that is contained between the 2 given sides. So if the triangle looks like this, okay, and a, b, and c are there, then there is angle c, angle A, angle B. Okay, so this is how you'd apply the cosine law to this triangle like this. Or if you're looking for the angle, then you'd rewrite this as cos angle C equals A squared plus B squared minus C squared all over 2AB. And we're going to use that second one. So we're going to find the cosine of 180 minus theta. So cos 180 minus theta equals, well, 180 minus theta is contained between the 8 Newton and 7 Newton force. So that's A and B. So 7 squared plus 8 squared minus 13 squared all over 2 times 7 times 8. When you work that out, you get negative 0.5. So then you take the cos inverse of that, and that gives you 120 degrees. So 180 minus theta equals 120 degrees. And that makes theta 60 degrees. Okay, so the angle between the two smaller forces is 60 degrees.